Hello and thank you for joining us for this week's MacDesk Floor Report. I'm Rebecca Darst from the Market Access Center desk here on the floor of the NYSE. The date is Thursday, October 11th, and we are up 30 Dow points. That's around 5 points in the S&P, marking the first day higher for stocks in 4 sessions on roughly inline volumes today. Overnight trading in the Asia-Pacific markets got underway under the shadow of an S&P downgrade of Spain's sovereign credit rating to one notch above junk status. We've also heard Spanish officials out today publicly contesting that rating cut. More on that in a minute. Rate cuts in Brazil and South Korea were among the major market developments, with the Bank of Korea lowering its GDP forecast for the full year of 2012 from 3% to 2.4%. We also had some disappointing August capital spending data out of Japan overnight, with machinery orders dropping 3.3% in August. Market consensus was looking for a decline of just over 2%. Moving on to Europe, we had rising concerns over Spain's unwillingness to seek a bailout following on from that S&P downgrade, weighing heavily on Italian debt today. Italy went to market with 3.75 billion euros of 3-year debt. Last month, these bonds yielded 2.75% at auction. Today, the headline risk pushed that yield higher to 2.86%. German and French CPI data came in roughly in line with market expectations, and the euro-dollar currency cross has remained generally very solid throughout the day after testing the 200-day moving average of 128.24 overnight. We're now higher in the cross at 129.39. Now here in the U.S., we had markets anxious to break a little higher after 3 straight days of decline, and much better than expected weekly jobless claims certainly did not hurt in that regard. The market was looking for 370,000 on the new claims side, and instead we got a new 4-year low at 339,000. In early market action, we've been seeing market leadership in oil and gas, industrials, and financial issues. We're also on the cusp of some major earnings reports. We've got large cap financials due to report tomorrow morning before the bell. To that end, the VIX is down 4% at 1559, and most of the activity we've been seeing in the large cap financials ETF, that's ticker XLF on the options side, has been in seller-driven activity in November calls at strikes 16 and 17, and buyer-driven volume in October puts at the $16 at-the-money strike. XLF is trading a smidge higher at 1609, so any drop below 16 in the event of disappointing earnings or guidance is going to bring a cluster of short-term moving averages in the 10 to 21-day range into play between 1582 and 1590. Finally, here on the floor, we had a genuine ticker tape atmosphere this morning with 2 very successful IPOs from Shutterstock and Realogy. Both opened above their proposed price range this morning. Both are trading higher in market action, so call it kismet, but we welcome 2 new tickers to the NYSE floor and broke a 3-session losing streak. So we'll take that. For additional market action and all the intelligence you need for an earnings-related trade in your stock, be sure to check the midday or give us a call on the desk. For now, that's it for me, Rebecca Darst, for the NYSE Euronext and MacDesk Floor Report.